Hello everyone, my name is Umesh Kumar and today we are talking about Tailwind 4. How to install and set up. I tell you the method which work in both either in React.js or in Next.js. Okay, so let's see. First, we use the React project. So for that we created firstly, just go to the white React.js and here in the getting started, scroll down and here you find npm create white at the rate latest. Just copy it and go to your folder where you want, open the terminal and here just paste it. It need project name, I give Tailwind. From here choose the library, I choose React. Here I have options, I choose TypeScript plus SWC. You can choose whatever you want. My method to install Tailwind 4 work in any of these. So I select TypeScript plus SWC. Here it created cd Tailwind. Now I open the VS Code, open the terminal here and install node modules. Now run this npm run dev. It is started. Now in this project it have a file sum, so I just delete app.css and in app.tsx I write my code, just a little code. Okay, so now how to install Tailwind. First go to the Tailwind website. Here it is, tailwindcss.com. Go to the docs and here it have lot of methods, like for wide projects follow this documentation and for other frameworks follow any of these, but for React.js and Next.js use PostCSS because this method work in both either in React.js or in Next.js. Okay, so first just copy this library, we stop the server and paste it here. Second, create postcss.mjs. This file have to create at the root. New file postcss.config.mjs. Okay, just copy this code and paste it. Now third point is import Tailwind CSS. So just copy this and paste in the project global.css. Like if you have either global.css or in the React project we have index.css. So I just paste it here. By this the Tailwind work in full project. Okay, inside the index.css there is some css which already come with the project. I just delete it. Here only we have Tailwind CSS. Okay, now just start your server, npm run dev. Open, this is our application. Okay, app look like this. Now go to the Tailwind website. The fourth point is npm run dev, which we already done. Now just copy this class. This is the example, so just copy this class and paste in this. In React, class has to replace with the class name. Now see, changes happen. Tailwind work fine. We can see also, like if we put background color, so bg amber 400 and here it is comes. For the text, just write h1 tag and here class name, we want to change the color of text, so just write text and it has to be white, so amber 50, it looks like white. Okay, we just remove underline. No, it looks fine. All done. Thank you.